Respected dear children, last day we were discussing about Hinduism for the children, Sadachara. Now you know all the Sadacharas, some of the Duracharas and also some of the Anacharas do have spirituality in that. As I told you earlier, it is spirituality, not a religion. Religion is connected with an individual. So Christianity is a religion propounded by Jesus Christ. Islam is a religion propounded by Prophet Muhammad. Buddhism is a religion by Lord Buddha. Whereas Hinduism is not a religion. It's not an individual's opinion or individual's vision or individual's instruction. Thousands of rishis wrote thousands of books for the last many thousands of years, containing many thousand subjects. And almost all these books do have Sadacharas in that. Many of the Anacharas might be Sadachara during the long past. But when the days change and when the system changes, some of the Sadacharas will become Anachara. But Durachara means Durachara forever. Forever it is Durachara only. So in our Puranas, hundreds and hundreds of acharas, customs and rituals are explained. Even Upanishads do have many acharas. Our darshanas do not have any achara. Upanishads are explaining acharas, Puranas explain acharas, Itihasas explain achara, Jyotisha explain acharas, Kalpashastra explains acharas. So acharas are explained, different type of acharas, and connected with a different type of rituals are or were explained by different acharyas or rishis. And if you are searching for a particular achara, say for example, acharas connected with fasting and vrata. All those acharas are available in Puranas. Acharas connected with pilgrimage, they are also available in Puranas. Acharas connected with family rituals, they are available in Grihya Shastra, part of Kalpa Shastra. And many spiritual acharas available in Upanishad. So, you can say that somebody is asking you the question, all the Christian acharas where we can get, all the Christian acharas are originated from Bible. Islamic achara originated generally from Quran. Buddhist achara generally originated from Dharmavada. Hindu acharas are not originated from Veda. Some of the acharas are available in Purana, some of the acharas are available in Upanishad, some are available in Ramayana, indirectly or directly they are explained in that one. Some of the acharas are available in Mahabharata. Either we take the achara from that and do addition, deletion, modification and correction, and then we march forward. Depending upon the space and the time, acharas explained for Kerala people from Kerala, acharas explained or followed by people of Kerala may not be the same achara meant for people from Kashmir. Acharas meant for Gujarat may be different from acharas meant for Assam. Because no, when the time and the space and the place changes, depending upon the environment, climate and circumstances, acharas will undergo addition, deletion, modification and correction. But for Christians and Muslims, acharas remain exactly the same. But for the last 2 decades, 1 or 2 decades, lot of changes have taken place in Christian acharas in the name of Indianization. Some acharas of the Islam, Muslim also has changed for the last 10-20 years. They never say it is Indianization. It is like that because their forefathers were Hindus. Like that, they may say that one. So, acharas are from different books as far as Hindus are concerned. Pranams, thank you very much.